This is a tutorial video show how to configure fire sensor. Insert the battery in fire sensor. Press the enter button, open setup. Type password. Go to edit zones. Open edit RF detector. Select your zone. Add device. Press the side button for few seconds. The sensor will generate a code. Repeat the same thing. Select the 24 hours sound zone for fire and gas sensor. Let us test the system. Fire sensor will work on both mode, either arm or either disarm.
Come on. Give you family a 24/7 protection with D3D Security Systems. For free advice or quotation, please contact our sales team or visit d3dsecurity.com.